Then you pull it down. Make sure your thread are equal. So now take your right fishing line to enter the next bead. You pull it out. Then you take your left fishing line to pick 2 beads. Then you cross with the second bead with your right fishing line. Then you pull it hard. You enter the next bead with your right fishing line. But this is the last bead, so we will have to turn and weave back. So we'll use our right fishing line to pick the bead now. Then we cross with our left fishing line and pull it down. So when you pull it, this is what you are going to get. Okay, this is what you are going to get. Now you take your left fishing line, which is this one, to pick 3 beads. Then you cross with the third bead with your right fishing line. You pull it down. You continue to enter the next bead with your right fishing line. So you are going to continue this until you get to the last bead, the last row, or the line, the last bead here. I'll pick the bead with my left fishing line. I'll pull it down. So when I pull it down, I'll enter the next bead with my right fishing line this way. So now I'll enter this one again. So I enter this 2 beads. I'll use 1 bead to cross these 3 beads that the thread are out from. Then I'll pull it down. I'll enter the next bead with my right fishing line. So it's the same process. You weave until you get to the end here. So I'll meet you when we get here. So when you're on the right track, this is what you should be getting when you are getting closer to the last row. So this is the last row I'm about to end here. So to do that, I'll just put 1 bead on my left fishing line. Then I'll enter this particular bead here. We are closing this space here. So I'll enter this particular bead here. So when I enter this bead, this is what I should be getting. This is what I'll be getting. So I'll use 1 to close it up. Okay, so you realize that it has closed. So now I'll enter this bead here with my right fishing line. Then I'll use this with my left fishing line to enter this one as well. Then I'll pick 1 bead to join the 2 fishing line. So now this is what we are having. So we have covered up here now. So what I'll do now is that this hole here, I'll end this thread here, I'll end it in the corner here. Okay, I'll bring the 2 edges to the corner here and I'll tie a knot. Okay, so as you can see, they are in the corner here, so I'll just tie a double knot. Very tight. Okay, so you can cut this thread off. So this is what we are having now. But as you can see, this space is 3 beads. Okay, we are going to develop it once again to make it 4. We have 1 2 3 1 2 3. So we are going to take a new thread and enter this particular bead. So take a new thread and enter this particular bead. You can enter this one or this one. Okay, any of them. So I'm going to do that. Make sure that your thread does not pass the metal. So this is where your thread will come out from. Yeah, okay. So now when you open up your thread, it will be like this. This is where your thread is coming out from. So when you open it up, this is what you are having. You have one in your right and one in your left. So take the fishing line that is in your right hand and pick 3 beads. Then you use your left fishing line to cross the 3rd bead this way. Then you pull it down.